Hi everyone and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and I'm so excited to be back. You might have asked yourself already, where the f is Tom? Well, also I stayed active inside the Paperless Movement membership and community. Shout out to you guys. I haven't uploaded a new video to YouTube for nearly 3 months now. So it's about time, right? Okay, here's what happened. I actually quit my day job 3 months ago to become a full-time entrepreneur at Paperless Movement. My wife, our 3 kids and I also moved 800 kilometers away to the north of Germany, where we will build a new house out of an old barn. This project is ongoing and estimated to be finished around Christmas. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know how this works out. And yes, you guessed this right. This means a hell of a lot of work. This means I had only 3 months to prepare to leave my job, in which I was working as a business analyst for 8 years. I was moving houses and my YouTube studio and actually reimagined the studio, the whole setup from scratch. I prepared a little time lapse for you guys to see how the process of building the new studio looked like. Let's roll it. So what do you think about the new setup? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. But most importantly, I'm so excited to give it all to the Paperless Movement now. For those of you who don't know my story yet, I was working in big industries for 8 years. In this time I was helping teams to improve their overall performance up to 60%. This was only possible by implementing concrete work conventions and the right productivity tools, which some of them I even developed myself. Later in my career I switched to become a team lead and business analyst inside IT, where I was optimizing cross-department work streams with the same approach and results. During that time I was running the Paperless Movement as a side hustle, where I was sharing the methods I've developed out of my experience in my day job and working with my members and clients to boost their paperless efficiency. This then resulted in the development of my ICORE framework, which stands for Input, Control, Output, Refine, and that I taught to my community in the end of 2020 for the first time. Since then, this framework has helped thousands of business professionals worldwide to improve their and their team's overall digital productivity. Now that I left my day job, I can focus 100% on the Paperless Movement. This also means I can focus my energy solely on new content for the YouTube channel and the membership to help you to unleash your paperless efficiency by implementing the right systems, methods and tools into your digital life. You definitely don't want to miss out on that, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you up very shortly with some exciting new tutorials, interviews, tech reviews and courses. So stay tuned.